This is Logan Elmer, and this is my week 4 professionalism video journal. I've got the prompts here, so I'm just going to kind of run down them and address them as they come. The first one is reflect. How did my attitude, logic, and behaviors influence my projects? Going into each class, I've always brought a certain work ethic that I've carried throughout my entire life to put my best foot forward and produce the best content that I can. And I think I did that here. Even though I'm not great at web editing and stuff, I kind of enjoy it. So I think I was able to create something that was good for my skill level. It's obviously not as good as some of the other students in this class, but I think that's because they this is influencing them more in terms of the career they're going into. Second, if I had to grade my overall performance on a 100 point scale based on what I created and not on effort or intent, I am confident I earned. Um, I think I probably deserve an 80. It's not the best work in the class, but I still think it's presentable. I met all of my clients' needs, and I created an effective site that it created the message that they wanted and got it out to their customers. Second is inquire. As I started working on my projects, I realized I wanted to know more about the way that Wix worked and how to create. Because I have in my mind, I can see the website and what I want to create, but I lack the technical skill to do it. So I think if I had a more technical understanding of Wix and how to create the things I wanted, I think I could have made a better project. Maybe gotten a 90 instead of an 80. Uh, what resources are available to me? Obviously, we had all the resources we needed. We had a multiple amount of video or website editors. I'd already used Wix, so that's the reason I chose it. But we had a bunch of information about our fictional client, so I think all of our resources that we needed were available to us. Third, we have suggest. If I had more time, I probably would have invested in maybe adding some subheadings to my website. I think that would have added an extra level of professionalism, and it would have made the website look a lot more clean. Uh, what could I have done differently to improve my projects? Maybe really read up more on Wix. I think that would have helped me. And finally, we have Elevate. How will I use this in my career? I don't think I'll use website editing in my career. I'm going to be a journal or a video game journalist, and website editing isn't really needed. Um, and that's not the entirety of this class. I know that, but that to me was the biggest thing we worked on um, in terms of technical skill and everything. I did learn about a lot more about how to look at a client and interpret their needs and turn that into valuable information. So I think that may carry on with me. Maybe if I'm recording an interview with a particular game developer, I can help get their words across better. Maybe if they're not putting their message across that they want. What advice would I give to future students in the course? Take your time, do the reading, um, ask for help if you need it. That's pretty much it. So, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.